Rio is the second largest city in Brazil, also known as the Marvelous City. Let's start off our Rio trip at the world-famous Copacabana Beach. Copacabana Beach became a symbol of Rio during the 1940s and stretches for 4 kilometers. We're staying at the Porto Bay, one of many hotels along this beach, for 3 nights. We headed here straight away on our first day after a delicious breakfast at the hotel. Let's check out whether people are really as gorgeous, beautiful and tan as what the classic Bossa Nova suggests. We stopped by this hidden gem for some perfect pictures of Sugarloaf Mountain. Today is Thursday and it's relatively quiet, but gets very busy on weekends.
Stand up. Then you see the lagoon, horse restaurant, Ipanema.
Now we're heading up to see the famous Christ the Redeemer statue at the peak. Christ the Redeemer is the largest Art Deco statue in the world. It is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Standing 30 meters high on top of Mount Corcovado and oriented to the east facing the rising sun. Look at everyone's creative poses. Our tour of the Favela was cancelled due to the rising crime rates. According to The Economist, on 27th of October 2018, there are 175 killings per day in Brazil. Brazil is coming out of the worst recession in its history. Police budget has been cut in recent years and locals don't trust their politicians. I love to join walking tours when I go on holidays because we get a better view of the place from a local perspective. Now it's time for a Brazilian barbecue beef lunch at the famous cafe where the girl from Ipanema song was written. Yum 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 yum! Let's round off our day at a traditional Brazilian all-you-can-eat barbecue restaurant. Poco Poco!
How do you say little? Poco. Thank you.
On our next day, we found this lovely cafe behind our hotel. It's so packed that we immediately convinced it must be so good. Time for a coffee break. Our tour guide recommended this lovely cafe to us, which we absolutely love. I'm not a big coffee fan, but this cup of coffee is superb. Can't resist buying some home for our family and friends. The beach is lit up at night and gets very vibrant, but I don't think it's a good idea to walk here after dark.
How are we going to carry all these bags? Look what we have achieved in 2 hours today. First, we went to the restaurant at Ipanema where the girl from Ipanema song was written. They do amazing food there. Got to try their barbecue beef. Well, basically everyone there are having the same thing. You won't miss it. Then we went to this shop. The design of their bags are inspired by the culture of Rio. And what's better is that they are upcycle bags helping those poor communities in Rio. Look at this wavy pattern. It's the logo of Copacabana. And this cute little coins bag with Christ the Redeemer on it. So cute! Then we went to the jewelry shop. All the jewelries are made of resin. Look at great gifts ideas. Then we had a short break at this cute little cafe. They do amazing coffee, that's why we couldn't resist getting some home. Finally, how can we not go shoe shopping in Brazil?
Our trip ended pretty quickly. I will definitely come back again. Next time I want to see the carnival, favela, botanical garden and more barbecue beef and coffee. Ciao!